In this quick video, I will show you how to change the battery in your Subaru Ascent key fob. This device was used on Ascents since 2019 all the way up to present day, and it takes just one of these CR2032 batteries to run. It's really easy to do, so just follow along. The first step is to turn this thing over and hold down this silver button and remove your internal key. As you can see, I don't have a key right now, but you will just hold down this button, take out your key, set that to the side, and now we will turn our attention here. You can see the keyhole is right here, and above it there's kind of a little L. There's this little L of space, and we're actually going to insert a flathead screwdriver into the line that is parallel to this keyhole. So right above that keyhole, right there, insert your flathead screwdriver and just twist. You can hear that little cracking sound. We've started to open this thing up, and now you can just kind of go down the side and twist until this comes apart very easily in your fingers. Now I'm just going to gently remove this area here with the circuit board and the battery. And from here it's very simple. We're using the same flathead screwdriver. We're going to go in from the top and getting in between the plastic here and the battery, we're just going to insert our flathead screwdriver and just kind of gently push and wiggle, and the battery will pop out as you just saw. Okay, now we can go ahead and get rid of our old battery, take a new CR2032 battery. Just need one, and make sure this positive side, when you're putting it back in, goes face up. And you will be first kind of positioning the battery into this bottom area before clicking in the top. Push it down, and click in the top. Otherwise it won't go in. If you try to force it in on the bottom first, it's just not gonna work. So you slide it down and click the top. And now we can see on this back piece of plastic, there's a little, kind of a little circle there indicating where the battery should go. So we're just going to set the battery right on top like that. And then take the other half, just position everything, click it back together, and then you can test out the buttons. Just the light should come on as you see, and that means you did everything right and you are good to go. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, you can let me know by leaving a comment or by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help changing another battery in a key fob, regardless of the make or model, you can check out our videos here on YouTube or visit us at fobbattery.com.